Australian hiker was struck by lightning and is now recovering at UC Davis Medical Center. According to the National Weather Center, the fact that he even survived is extremely lucky.
Doesn't sound that lucky.
Not as lucky as if he didn't get struck by lightning.
Sounds like he's an Australian. He was hit by lightning.
No, he's in California. He is Austrian, but he was hiking.
He was Australian like 30 seconds ago.
A minute ago.
Austrian.
You know, lightning will do that to you.
I understand some guy gets hit by lightning there.
Sorry, he's Austrian.
He's going to come out of a coma speaking French.
He was hiking up Tinker Knob.
Really? There's a place called Tinker Knob?
Tinker Knob in California. Wow. And this is just outside of Soda Springs.
It sounds like something you try and get somebody to do to you. Come on, man, do the Tinker Knob. You know what I'm looking for. Do the Tinker Knob.